Hello guys, and welcome back to a new TechPod video. It's been a while, but today we're actually gonna do something lit. As you see, right in front of me we have the Nzxt Kraken X52, which is a lit water-cooled part of my PC. Because right now we're building the second PC on this channel. The first one we tried to record it, but it was a bit of a fail. So you're gonna see our first build on this channel actually in a few weeks. But we're actually gonna unbox this little boy. There's also X62, which is a bit better, but I'm poor fuck, so we're gonna go for that one. Switch camera to camera 2. So guys, we're gonna start off by looking at the box before we're gonna unbox this thing. So in front we got the Nzxt Kraken X52 with a nice name tag. What I actually like on Nzxt, they keep the design of the box simple, which is, of course, a lot of people have different opinions about this, but I actually like it. And on the side we have some crap nobody cares about. On the backlight, on the back side, not backlight, we got some RGB and some cool features. And the program you have to download, of course. So I would say, let's go and open this baby.
And we're back to me. I'm gonna be unboxing the Kraken X52 because he's too scared to do it. And I think it's gonna be a fun experience. So let's get started. Let's begin, guys. Point of view. So let's begin. Just this little piece left, and we should be good. Let's remove the plastic now. Very nice. We won't be needing this anymore. Let's get started with the real unboxing this time. So first, we gotta open this little flap here on the actual Kraken Nzxt. Then this full piece flips over. So this is Build Extraordinary in a shit ton of languages like French, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian here, Japanese, Chinese. So that's nice of them. Then we have the boring manuals for the Kraken series. I imagine they just give this to every single Kraken to spare some money, I guess. Okay, now's the tricky part. There we go, guys. We have the Kraken out. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. In here we have the radiator. In here we have two Nzxt fans. Both of them are non-RGB, so you won't getting any of that in these two fans. We have the necessary cables and mounting manual, mounting brackets, and the screws and stuff that you're gonna need. And this, I imagine, is an RGB controller and SATA power or some sort of other power. Oh, it's actually a micro B connector. And here is the piece itself. The Kraken X52 from Nzxt.